One night, Hazrat Umar Razi Allah Anhu, the Caliph of the Muslims, was walking through the streets of Medina. As was his habit, he would go out at night in disguise to see how the people were living and to make sure no one was being mistreated or left hungry. As he passed by one house, he heard a mother talking to her daughter. The mother said, "Come, add some water to the milk so we can sell more of it in the market tomorrow." But the daughter replied, "Mother, don't you know what Amirul Mu'minin has said? He has forbidden mixing water with milk." The mother said, "Umar is not here. He cannot see us." And the girl replied with words that showed deep faith. "He may not see us, but Allah is watching us." Hazrat Umar, who was standing outside and listening to the entire conversation, was amazed by the girl's honesty and fear of Allah, even when no one was watching. The next morning, he sent someone to find out who the girl was. When he heard she was unmarried, he told his son Asim about her and said, "This girl is worthy of being in a caliph's household." Later, Hazrat Umar's son Asim married that milk seller's daughter. From their descendants came Umar bin Abdul Aziz, one of the most just and beloved caliphs in Islamic history.